So in here you can see we have a lump breaker that is during manufacturing. So this one has comes in with 2 pairs. And then here we have the screen, the rotary drum screen. And here we have the chain crusher manufacturing. So for this lump breaker is the same size we have seen previously. It is the motor, the couplings, and then the bearing housings, and then the casing. And underneath it will have the greasing. Yep. So basically, this is the structures of our lump breaker. This one is used for crushing the return material from screen and also raw materials.